Welcome aboard the SRT high-speed train, Seoul's fastest link to Busan, Daegu, Mokpo, and beyond. With sleek interiors and modern comforts, SRT turns long-distance travel into a smooth rail adventure. If you're planning a rail journey across South Korea, choose rail.ninja to explore over 35 Korean train routes and book your seats up to 2 years in advance. Imagine you've just arrived in Seoul and are ready to see more of Korea. Your SRT journey begins right here at Suseo Station, the starting point for high-speed trips to cities across the country. As soon as you arrive at Suseo Station, check the timetable displays and then follow the signs for Line 3 or the Suwon-Bundang line down to the second basement level, where the SRT platforms are located. Once you reach the SRT level, check your ticket for your car and seat number, confirm the latest schedule on the electronic boards, and then wait calmly behind the safety line until boarding starts so you can step onto the train smoothly and without rush. It's time to board the train. Step inside and discover everything that greets you from the very first moment of your SRT journey. First, you'll notice a handy extra seat beside the luggage area, along with an open storage space where you can easily place and keep an eye on your bags. This extra seat fully reclines, giving you a comfortable place to sit while you organize your bags so everything is ready for a smooth exit at your final station. Now it's time to step into a new level of comfort, the SRT First Class, where extra space, quieter coaches, and premium seating turn your rail journey into a truly relaxing ride. Place your carry-on and luggage in the overhead storage so your space stays clear and you can fully relax and enjoy the journey. Have a look at the seats. They are comfortably padded, offer generous legroom, and recline smoothly so you can stretch out, drift off to sleep, or simply relax and feel almost like at home during the ride. You'll find personal 220V power outlets just above your seat, perfect for charging your devices with Type-C and Type-F2 round pen plugs. Adjust the footrest to find your perfect position and enjoy even more comfort during the ride. This seat back panel highlights your row and nearby facilities like toilets, emergency equipment, and priority or wheelchair spaces, with brief icons and instructions. Use the foldable tray table as your personal space for dining, working, or whatever else you need during the journey. Enjoy a complimentary welcome pack featuring bottled water and a tasty SRT branded snack such as nuts, cookies, or other light treats. For extra convenience, first-class seats also come with handy clothes hangers, so you can keep your jacket or coat neatly within reach. Let's move on to economy class, where you can enjoy a more budget-friendly ride. Above each seat, individual air vents and reading lights keep you comfortable whether you're relaxing, reading, working, or on your phone. Comfortable SRT economy class seats with generous legroom, wide windows, and all the essentials for a smooth ride. Stow your luggage in the overhead racks so your seat area feels open, uncluttered, and ready for a relaxing ride. SRT trains offer a thoughtfully designed shared restroom zone that combines comfort, practicality, and accessibility for different passenger needs. In the main restroom, travelers will typically find a standard WC, sink with running water, mirror, waste bin, and basic hygiene features to freshen up during the trip, often with clear instructions and touch-free elements to keep things more hygienic. Nearby, a baby room or equipped changing area provides a more private, quieter space for parents to change diapers or tend to infants, usually including a folding changing table, extra shelf space for bags, and convenient access to water so families can manage care routines more easily while on the move. For travelers with reduced mobility and parents with infants, a combined restroom is available with a wider door, extra space, and baby changing facilities like a folding table and shelf. It also typically includes lowered sinks and easy-to-reach buttons or locks so passengers can move and use the space more safely and independently. For special needs, use the dedicated wheelchair space with a secure safety belt to keep the wheelchair comfortably and safely in place throughout the journey. SRT trains feature convenient onboard vending machines located in the carriage vestibule, so you can easily grab a quick snack or drink without leaving your seat for long. Each item typically costs about 1,000 to 3,000 won, around $13 US, making it an affordable way to stay refreshed during your trip. The machines usually offer a mix of bottled drinks, coffees, teas, juices, and light snacks such as chips, cookies, or small desserts, with product labels and prices clearly displayed on the front panel. You can pay using Korean won cash, bank or credit cards, and often transportation cards like T-Money. allowing both locals and visitors to complete purchases quickly and cash-free. Thank you for exploring SRT with us. Book your tickets at Rail.ninja and set off on unforgettable rail adventures across South Korea.